busy here. I got a pistachio and dark chocolate ice cream. And I got a sirloin steak. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kira and you will usually find me solo travelling in my self-converted camper van, but right now I am in Italy in Lake Garda. I have been here for a few days now and I'm just filming this intro from home because basically this week's vlog and last week's vlog were filmed on the same day and I split them in two because it would have been too long, so I didn't actually have an intro. But yes, this week's video we are going to Malcesine, I believe it's called. Yeah, I will explain in a minute and show you. But yes, just wanted to give a little intro to the video, and now let's get back to Lake Garda. We are going to get in the car, we are going to drive back down into Limone, and we are going to get the ferry from there to... I can't remember, but I will let you know. Yeah, it's just basically across the lake from Limone, like we were looking at it, just directly across. So yeah, we're going to get the ferry across there, and then hopefully we are going to take the cable car up to the top of the mountain, because that would be fun. So yes, let's go. So I got an iced cappuccino. Been looking for an iced latte and this seems like the closest thing, so I need to try it. So we got our food. I got penne arrabbiata. Taya got lasagna. Mitchell got a burger with no bun.
What is that?
Carbonara. We're getting the boat. Here it is. So we've arrived in Malcesine and we only have 2 hours until the last boat. We didn't realise that it went so early. So we are going to walk around and have a look at everything. So the ferry cost €10 return per person, which I think is pretty good. And it took about 20 minutes, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I did. It was nice. It wasn't wavy, so I didn't feel sick.
Calm.
Yes.
Nice views.
Nice views.
Yes, it was
Love
lovely.
it.
Very busy here. Very cute streets. I love places like this. This place is actually so cute. Literally everywhere. Oh, they're going for ice cream. I got a pistachio and dark chocolate ice cream. Gelato. We found the castle. Castello Malcesine. €7 per person. Nobody wants to pay €7 to go in the castle. We found a little beach down there. But we're not going there. We're going back up into the town. We're back on the boat. That time was really nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really good.
So nice. I prefer that to Limon. So now, instead of going back to the hotel to get ready, we're gonna drive straight to, what's it called? Riva del Garda. We're gonna go there for dinner because our hotel is like so far up and out of the way. It just makes more sense to drive straight there rather than going back to get ready. So that is the plan. So we have come to Riva del Garda to try and find somewhere for dinner. We're just walking around looking for somewhere at the moment. Not sure where we're gonna go, but it looks very nice. So we've come to a restaurant called the Beef House because everyone's a bit sick of Italian food. We've been eating too much pizza and pasta. So I got some onion rings, chips, potatoes, and we got chili cheese bites, more onion rings.
Yum. Everyone's got their burgers. Taya's got a veggie burger, onion rings,
Chicken burger, cheeseburger, and another chicken burger. And I got a sirloin steak.
Meatballs.
Oh yeah, that's
Triple
No.
chocolate.
no meatballs.
No, because that other one's
Look
sugar.
at Johnny's coffee. This is so cute.
Oh no,
Oh, that's sugar.
it doesn't that.
So we have just got back from, what's it called? I literally forgot the name. What was it? Riva del Garda. Yeah, had a very nice meal there, looked all around, sat in one of the bars for a while. Very nice place. I did prefer, actually, though, sorry, the one we went to earlier in the day, I forgot the name. But that one was really nice. It was very pretty, really like good vibes. Just, yeah, I really, really loved that place. I wish we were staying there so that we could have more time, but it's on the other side of the lake to us. Anyways, I am back in my room. Them guys have gone up to the bar. I am staying in my room because I am not feeling well. I have awful pain, like in my ears, like and down the sides of my like neck. I had it 2 weeks ago. It lasted a couple of days, like 2 weeks ago, and then it went away, and I just had like a cold after that. And now it's been exactly 2 weeks and it's come back today, and I don't know why. I don't know what this is, because it's not a sore throat. My throat isn't sore, it's just pain. Like it feels like it's just in my ears and down here. It's really strange, but it's really painful and horrible. Yeah, if anyone knows what that is, then please let me know in the comments, because it's really annoying me, and even painkillers don't even get rid of it. Like sometimes they make it feel a little bit better, but like it comes back so quickly, you know, like if you take painkillers for a headache, like usually it gets rid of my headaches. But with this, like it will feel a bit better for maybe like an hour, and then it will come back really quickly. Anyways, yes, that's that's enough of me moaning about my pain. Yeah, I had a really lovely day today actually. The hikes and waterfalls in the morning were really, really nice, and the boat ride and all the towns, yeah, everything was good. Done a lot today. Feeling tired now. Yeah, tomorrow I think we're going back to Riva Garda to see it kind of in the daytime, and we are going to go like up a bit further. There's like some, like, I don't know how to describe it, it's not really caves, it's kind of like a canyon-y thing with waterfalls going into it, which looks quite cool, so I think we're gonna have a look at that. There's also I don't know, what do you call them? You know, the kind of train thingy that goes up like a steep track up the cliff. There's one of them in Riva del Garda, so I think we're going to have a look at that tomorrow and see, because we didn't have time to go on the cable car today. We wanted to go on the cable car, but no, we didn't have time because the last ferry back was at 5:30, so that was a shame. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it's interesting for you, because I said this before with my Spain vlogs, but my vlogs never seem to do very well if they're not van life. So yeah, I hope for the people that do watch me, you know, all the time, every video, I hope that they are still interesting for you. I know some people commented and said that they are, so I appreciate you. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, then please give me a like, please hype the video, and if you're not subscribed and would like to see some more from me, then please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. This looks so nice. It is so blue.